Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to link booking.com to Airbnb to sync calendar. First thing first, log into your booking.com extranet. Go to rates and availability, then calendar, then sync calendars. Select export calendar and copy the iCal URL provided. This is your booking.com export link. Now, log into your Airbnb account and go to Listings, Availability, then Sync Calendars. Click Import Calendar and paste the Booking.com iCal URL and name it Booking.com for example. Then click Import Calendar to finish. Now in Airbnb, still under Sync Calendars, select Export Calendar, then copy the Airbnb iCal URL. Now back in the Booking.com extranet, return to Sync Calendars. Select Import Calendar, then paste the Airbnb iCal URL, then save. Now once both calendars are linked, test it. Add a testing booking in Airbnb or Booking.com and wait a few minutes, then refresh the opposite calendar. The booking should appear blacked. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.